Hey guys, how are you doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this fullest bubble wig. If you find this video entertaining, interesting, or if you learn something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So the first thing that I did, I saw an elastic band inside and combs just to make it more secure once I'm done. So I also advise you to start by sewing the combs inside and the band, so that when you're done making the wig, you don't end up messing the style again by sewing the band and the comb. Yeah, so that is the first step. Just sew the combs and the band before you pin the cap down. I pinned the cap down. I tried to blow dry the hair just to detangle it, and then I applied gel for the hair to be sleek. So as you can see, the front part is already flat because I've already applied gel. And then I took my blow dried the gel and took the band like you've seen right now, just pinned them down so that when I work on the other part, the front part doesn't lift. I was recording this tutorial for Instagram and Facebook Reels, for TikTok, and for YouTube Shorts. So you'll notice that I skipped some parts, but I'll try and explain it. Just in case you don't understand, I'll try and explain it even without the videos. I was not intending to edit it for the detailed YouTube video. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. So I'm holding it in a ponytail. At the back, I applied gel as well. I'm trying to just brush it to make sure it's very flat. So once you're done, you're again going to use the band, the elastic band, to make it lie flat at the back. I'll show you later in the video. Brush and make sure the hair is so flat. Make sure there are no flyaways. And this is a very simple style. It's a beginner friendly. If you've never made a wig, you can do it, or if you're a salonist, you can also do it on your client. Once I was done, this is how it looks. I pinned the back down as well, and as you can see, it's very flat. So always remember to just use blow dry to make it flat. This is the bubble that I made. So guys, for this bubble, it's very simple and easy to make. I'll do a tutorial on it, but if I don't, just Google how to make the bubble braids and you'll understand how I did it. I wanted to make short form videos, that's why I didn't record every part of this video. So once you make the bubbles, you're just going to fold them, and then they're going to form this pattern that you're seeing right now. You fold them and then you sew them on the cap, fold them and then sew them on the cap. It's very simple. Also, if you don't understand, just Google how to make bubbles and you will see how it's made. You'll use expression braids to do this, because the reason why I used expression braids is because also it matched with my fullace, so that you know the fullace and the bubble, they don't look like it's different hair. I wanted it to have the same colors and the same texture. So if you're going to use like human hair, make sure your bundle is also human hair, the bundle that you're going to use to make the bubble, so that it matches with the 360 lace matches with the bubbles and makes it look natural, so that you don't have so that your wig is not color 2 and the braid is color 1, or the braid is color 1 and the wig is color 2. It might not look natural. I went ahead and sewed the bubbles on the front part and the back as well, and the middle part, and I filled it. It was very simple and easy for me to do. Also, again, if you're a beginner, you can also do this. So if you want this wig, guys, you can check my website global.shana.co.ke, and I ship worldwide. So this is the complete look. I really loved it. Just for you to make sure it doesn't have the flyaways, you can spray some sprit on it, or you can spray the good to be. Just make sure you have some spray that can make the braids to be intact, so that you don't have flyaways. Because as you can see, these are bubbles, so you have to take care of them. Just make sure you put it on a dummy, or when I put it in the paper that I sent it to you with, just make sure you always put it in that paper or in a box, so that you maintain this shape. That was it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.